Do, 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 do. Natural gas, ticker NAT gas USD, but that's on Oanda. It gotta be an equivalent future symbol or anything else of the sort. CFD, contract for difference. Yeah. What is up with that, man? Sleeper move? Or what? Okay, natural gas. Whoop, boom, bust. Almost full retracement. Boom, bust. Even bigger retracement. And that's stage analysis, guys. Most of the time, unless you're skewed upwards, retracements they wipe out a lot of the gains. And if you don't get out, if you don't recognize that your stage 2 has ended, that's your first warning sign. Everybody gets 2 strikes. If you don't recognize that your stage 3 is ending, then you're in a world of pain. So you have to live all this time here to maybe get back to the previous high for another small run. And then after that, pain. And then your money's trapped. So enter here, shoot, ride that, exit here. Stage 2s. Exit stage 1s, recognize when stage 1 is ending. And that's all she wrote, guys. Never buy and hold. Control Z. All right. Okay, so where we are today. Are we ending a stage 1? Well, we're on the monthly chart. Just going to see if I have a... Man, okay, where's why? There's a whole bunch of stuff happening here. Here is multi-year. This is 6 years, 8 years, monthly defined breakout line. Here you have another one that's been tested a lot more. This one looks pretty strong. See these wicks? Sellers coming in, tweezer tops, in you go. Try again. Now we're seeing that this is the resistance that the market's respecting. They forgot about this one here. Either those sellers are out or there's more sellers that came in at these levels. And now we're making a crazy candle. Can't wait to see that on the weekly chart. So you had a breakout right here on the monthly candle chart. Right here. Monthly candle chart, guys. That's like a year's worth of data. Even if more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. A lot. Almost 2 years. And just running through some more support. Resistance. Sorry. Dyslexia. So all these levels. Bam. Look, the month of November is not out. Maybe we'll get a crazy wick and we're going to close below this. And then we're going to start forming another pattern of another implied measured move to a bigger target. But right now the 12-month moving average is angling upwards. I just don't like that we're stretched so far above the 12-month moving average. I'm going to let that cool down. Let's check it out. Because the target from this bottom pattern has already been reached super fast. You'd have to play the smaller time frames. Reaching that target here. You'd have to go in the smaller time frames to maybe have a chance of catching the speed of that move. And even that pattern here, its measured move has been reached. So now we're talking about a bigger pattern added to a breakout line. And off we go, guys. Bigger patterns. But you want to have retests of that breakout line. A fresh retest just to prove that that is a resistance that's still in effect. Ooh, natural gas, guys. All right, let's zoom in on the weekly. Tell me what we got here. Ooh, look at the volume. Stage 4, stage 2, Stage 4, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 with a long stage 3. Not too much playable stage 4, right? You want a stage 4 to be like this. Not test many times a 30-week moving average. And now we're back into stage 2, guys. Whole bunch of clues to look at. Outperforming the SPX. Look at that volume picking up. Crescendo volume right here. That would probably look like breakout volume. It's hard to tell because of these big candles here. Embryonic breakout. Okay, let's remove all these triangles. Outperforming the SPX. Embryonic breakout right here, even here, smaller pattern. Here, giving signs that it wants to break out. Right. Yeah, this is more. This candle right here, sideways move. And bam, crazy volume exploding. Sellers coming in the next week. No, buyers decide to keep going. Because remember, for that to be tweezer tops, well, you need another test of those highs and then a close, get below the open and the candle turns red, and then you'd have tweezer tops. But you're still very, very extended again from a 30-week average. There's not much to do there. You really need to let this cool down, guys. Look, some stocks explode. I want to get in. Fear of missing out. Well, if you didn't catch them in the beginning and your trading plan is to catch them in the beginning, to wait for continuation breakouts, like every time I do my drawings, I imagine the 30-week average going upwards. And if you don't wait for the price action to give you a better risk to reward entry with here or here closer to 30-week moving average, then you could buy this and you're just hoping for it to continue in an exponential growth, which is less likely than having a pullback towards a breakout line and then continuation breakout. So this is good if you've been here, if you entered at these candles here above the Ichimoku cloud. This one right here, and then you had another entry right here, possible when you got close to 30-week average. Other than that, this one is just up, up, and away. All right, guys, natural gas. You got to let that one cool down, see where it lands. No rush, no rush. Other stocks to look at, other stuff to do. Moving on. All right, guys, get back to this one later. Ciao.